right, kids, let's take a look at lesson 16-5. So here we have cost and resources. What we need to remember in this lesson is that if there is more of something, or if there is a lot of something, the price will go down. The price will go down. But if there is less of something, the price will go up. So we need to remember that in this lesson. So let's take a look at the first problem. Last year, Nikki grew 8 pumpkins in her garden. She painted and sold them all for $6. So here is the story. In the story, we have the number of pumpkins that she grew and the cost for each pumpkin. Here we have our question. Question 1, part A. How much did Nikki earn from selling pumpkins last year? We want to know how much she earned last year. Okay, and we're still talking about the pumpkins. So we want to know how much she earned last year. This happened last year. She grew 8 pumpkins. Each one of those pumpkins, every pumpkin cost $6. So we are repeating the number 6 8 times. So our multiplication sentence is 8 times 6. We want to know the total earnings for last year. 8 times 6, or 6 times 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. $48 is her income for last year. Part B. This year, Nikki grew 5 pumpkins and she painted and sold them all for $9 each. How much did Nikki earn from selling pumpkins this year? So again, this year, instead of selling 8 pumpkins like last year, she sold 5 pumpkins, so less. Again, if we have less of something, the cost is going to go up. And the cost did go up. $9 this year as opposed to $6 last year. Less of something, the more it's going to cost. We want to know how much did she earn from selling the pumpkins this year. So again, now we have 5 pumpkins and they each cost 9 apiece. 9's trick. 1 minus 5 is 4. And if we add 5 to 4, it equals 9. So $45. That is the amount she earned this year. $45 is her income. Part C. How does the amount Nikki made selling pumpkins this year compare to last year? We are comparing the amount of money, talking about the amount of money that she made this year compared to last year. This year, Nikki made less money than last year. So her income is less. This year, Nikki earned less money than last year. Let's get that up so we can see it a little bit better. So she tried to close the gap, even though she didn't have as much pumpkin as last year. She tried to increase that price to close the gap because she knew she wasn't going to earn as much. But it's pretty close. So she had to up that price from $9 as opposed to $6.